Hi guys, I'm Maria and this is the day 2 of the 14 days challenge. I've prepared this challenge to learn and improve our drawing skills together. So buckle up and let's start it. For this, you can use either mechanical pencil or normal pencil. That's okay with both. We're going to start with a 1 point perspective. So you'll have a horizontal line and vanishing point. So you'll draw a basic square or rectangle, then connect this with the vanishing point. Then you'll get a cube like this. A little shading here. You can also draw the upper parts too. Just connect your square to the vanishing point and you'll get the cube. Oh, but we forgot to warm up first. So if you see any stiffness when you draw, just draw a bunch of lines and that will activate your hand muscles and make it easier to draw for the next step. We finished the 1 point perspective, but feel free to pause and practice again and again. For the 2 point perspective, we will have 2 vanishing points. Then we will connect the line that represents the side of the cube to the vanishing points and make 2 lines as the end of the cube. Then make the top part as you can see it. And here it is. Now I'll show you on the upper part. Let's move on to the 3rd-point perspective, where we will have the 3rd vanishing point. Guys, don't be confused here. I just used the 2nd-point perspective at first. Yeah, but it kind of gets different because of the 3rd perspective, vanishing point. So this perspective have the view on the upper part. Like when you draw cities or something like that, it will be the best method. Okay, let's have a quick summary about what we've learned and we'll go to the next step. for cylinders, we basically use boxes. Yeah, you can draw some box using the 2-point perspective as me. To easily find the center, we will draw 2 diagonal lines, and we will got 4 points where our circle touches the box. We will do the same thing here, and the line that connects the 2 circles will start at the horizontal diameter of the circle and ends at the other horizontal diameter. If you got something new so far, be sure to like the video and subscribe and hit the bell for more updates of this 14 days challenge. Drop off a purple heart if you made it to the end. Until the next video, bye.